Okay, so we have solved the problems on Bernoulli equation. Up to now, we have seen only ideal fluids, nothing but we are assuming that it is ideal. Nothing but we don't have any losses till now. We have considered any losses for there. So whenever if you see a pipe or a water flowing in a pipe, definitely there will be some losses. So if you include that loss, so then that equation becomes your Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. Real fluid, nothing but which is existing. Ideal fluid is nothing but just an imaginary fluid. So we don't have any ideal fluids without viscosity or without any frictional losses. We don't have any ideal fluids. We have only real fluids, right? So only change will be we'll add something that is called as loss of energy, that is HL. HL term will add for the Bernoulli's equation for real fluids. So first we'll see. So the Bernoulli's equation was derived on the assumption that the fluid is non-viscous, nothing but inviscid, and there is therefore frictionless. If there is no viscosity, definitely friction will not be there. So we assumed that it is non-viscous. Then we have solved that it is an ideal fluid and solved. So, but all the real fluids are viscous and hence resistance to flow will be there because of that viscosity. So thus there are always some losses in the fluid. And hence in the application of Bernoulli's equation, these losses has to be taken into consideration. So thus Bernoulli's equation for real fluids between points 1 and 2 is given as same equation. Only term we will add is HL. T1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equals to T2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2 plus HL. So if you are having all the terms, all terms, if he's asking to find HL, how you will get it? So HL is equals to difference of these two energies, nothing but this energy minus if you do this energy, you will get this loss. HL equal to loss of energy between point 1 and 2. So in problems, if he's asking to find the loss of energy in this pipe, so what is HL is equals to total energy in the section 1 minus total energy in the section 2. If you do, that will be finished. So HL is equals to total energy 1 minus total energy 2. Okay. Any doubt in this? So only excess term which you are getting is HL here. So that HL is called as loss of energy. Okay, nothing else to learn in this, just HL term is important. So next we'll go solve a problem on this. We'll solve a single problem, or if time permits, one more problem also we'll do. Yes, if you're facing any problem, you tell me. Can I continue?
Sir, continue, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, so first problem. So here definitely we won't mention that it is a real fluid or it is a ideal fluid. So by seeing the unknown, nothing but what is asking to find, by seeing that only we can know. Right? So directly is asking find the loss in head here. So general previous problem only, loss in head is nothing but HL we need to calculate. Okay. Right. So take the question. A pipe of diameter 400 meter, directly in meters he has given. Sorry, this is not meter. Definitely it will be in mm only. A pipe of diameter 400 mm carries water at a velocity of 25 meters per second. So he has given only one diameter. So what is the meaning of that? Which shape the pipe is? It is just a normal pipe with a cross-sectional area throughout the pipe is same. Nothing but we are not having any conical shaped pipe. We have a pipe which is normal pipe with diameter 400 mm and the velocity inside the pipe is 25 meters per second. So here we don't have D1, D2, V1, V2. Only D value will be there and V value will be there. Nothing but velocity at the section 1 is equals to velocity at the section 2. So VA here in terms mentioned as point A and point B. So VA is equals to VB we need to take, that is 25 meters per second. Right? So similarly diameter will be common. So D equal to 400 mm. Next what he gave, the pressure at point A and B are given as 29.43 Newton per centimeter square is the pressure at point A, and pressure at point B is 22.563 Newton per centimeter square. Next what is get he said while the datum head, so Z1 and Z2 values are given. So datum head at point A is 28 meter, datum head at point B is 30 meter. So find the loss in the head. So he's asking to find the loss in the head. So this is called the loss which is happening because of the fluid. flowing when there is a frictional loss. Nothing but HL value is asking HL. So already I said HL is nothing but loss of energy is equals to difference of total energies at point A and point B. Difference. We need to subtract energies of the point A and energy of point B, which may be higher. Anything may be highest. Point A may be more or point B may be more. We need to take the difference of that. So difference gives loss of energy in this pipe. Okay, please copy the question. Okay, so this is the diagram. So see here, the pipe is just a normal pipe which is having same cross-sectional area throughout this. Okay. So if you see the datums ZA and ZB, there is a difference of 2 meters. Nothing but ZA equal to 28 meters he has given, ZB equal to 30 meters. So that's why we can draw the pipe as an inclined pipe. So most of the problems he will give diagrams. Some problems rarely he won't give diagram. So at that time you should be careful. You need to draw a pipe in this way, not in the pipe as tapered pipe. Okay. Right. So now take the diagram. So D is given 400 mm. So here for section A is taken here at the bottom side. Section B is taken at the other upper side. Okay. So diameter PA is given, ZA is given. Diameter at B also 400, PB is given, ZB is also given 30 meters. Okay, copy the diagram and just inform me. We'll solve the problem. '92 Rakesh. 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 Those are not replying. I will put absent for them. '317 Sachin. Lateral entry.
Sir.
Yes, Sachin. When you have joined?
Sir.
When you joined, when I have taken attendance, your number was not there. Now it is visible.
After second half.
Why? Why like
1
that?
minute late. Sir. Network issue, sir.
Simple reason you are telling, network issue always, huh?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Don't repeat it. Yes. Have you finished the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So nothing is there. We need to write everything here now. So first write the given data. Given, what is given first? Diameter is given. So diameter D equal to how much?
400 mm. Sir.
mm. So 400 mm can be written as 0.4 meter. Next, velocity is given. So velocity V is equals to how much velocity? 25 meter per second. So this thing we can write it as what I said, since the pipe is constant at both the sections, velocity will be same. So take V suffix A. So VA is equals to VP. Any doubt in this? VA equal to VP, which is given as V equal to 25 meters per second. So next, what is given? Z
Pressure, sir.
is given. Okay. So pressure at which point is given? At both the points it is given, right? So
Yes,
pressure
sir.
at point A is given. So pressure at, just a minute. PA
29.43 into 10 to the power of 4. sir.
just a minute. PA equal to 29.43 is given in Newton per centimeter square. So directly I am writing into 10 power in meters. What we
Four.
do? 10 power 4. So 10 power 4 meter Newton per meter. Square. Okay, so PA we have to complete it. Next is go for the PB. PB. How much is the value? PB
22.563, sir.
2.563. Okay, next once again. Continue. What are the terms we have given next? ZA is given. So datum head at section A. ZA. ZA. ZA equal to at A, what is Z?
28, sir.
28 meter. So similarly, write ZB. ZB equal to 30 meter. Yes, I think up to here, all the things which are given to us in the problem. Next, what is asking to find? He is asking us to find the loss, head loss. So now what you do, just write on the next page. Okay, next write on this. This formula you write on there. Applying the Bernoulli's equation. By applying the Bernoulli's equation for real fluid, you will copy this diagram. This there. P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equals to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2 plus HL. Same formula you write on here after this. So by or applying Bernoulli's equation. Applying. Bernoulli's equation for real fluid. Please write down that. It will take more time for me to write that full P1 by rho g, or else I can copy this. But HL term won't be there. Okay, this term. Please add HL here. I'm unable to edit that. It's just image there. Okay, add HL here plus HL
Sir, HL5.
Okay, so instead of writing HL here, please copy HL also here. Please write HL at the top side also in the formula. Okay, so now substitute the values of P1, or here you can write PA. Actually, we are having points there. So PA by rho G plus VA square by 2G plus Z1 is equals to PB by rho G plus VB square by 2G plus Z2 plus HL. Here HL you need to write definitely. Then HL is equals to this term minus this term you need to do. And finally, you will get HL value. Okay, so HL is equals to, what is it, 5 meters? Huh? HL equal to 5.
Yes, sir. 5, sir.
That's HL equal to 5 meters. No need to write anyway. These two terms are same. Both will get cancelled. Okay, this is the substitution. 20 V1 by 2G is equal to V2 square by 2G. Both can be removed. So directly you can write. So Z1 is 28. Okay, so this completes our first problem. So next problem we'll solve in the next class. It's taking more time to type all these things. I'll just arrange it like the previous problems and we'll solve it. Okay. Any doubt up to now? Yes, students, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, any doubts? No? The same as the previous problems only one extra term will be there, that is HL word will be there. So that we are calculated here from this problem. In some problems, what he will do, he'll give HL directly. He'll ask to find something missing in this P1, P2 or something, B1, B2, anything he'll ask. The next problems, we can see that. Okay. Completed a copying problem, students. Shashi? Is Shashi is here? No. Number 66, Shashi. Just sincerely tell how many of you are writing notes. Please raise your hands here. I won't check. Just sincerely tell. I don't know. I won't scold also. Yes, please. How many of you are writing notes? Since I said I won't check, everybody is raising. Huh? What about others? Okay, 20 members are writing out of 38. Remaining half are not writing. Simply listening. Yes, that is not good for you. You will forget later. Please write down the notes. Anyway, we'll send notes to you, but better if you write because it will be a practice also for you. Simply don't listen to classes. Just write something. Okay. Neeraj. Neeraj. Why your mic and video symbol is not shown to me? Yes, Neeraj. Yes, Neeraj, speak out something. Okay. Right. Okay, students, thank you. We'll continue in the next class. Those who have finished copying, they can leave. If you do 2 or 3 more problems in this Bernoullis, this topic will be finished, and we have last topics of your on Venturi meter, RFS meter, on that we have problems. And what we have learned in the lab, that coefficient of discharge, that things will be there in the next classes. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Neeraj, you are not audible. You have sent a message whether you are audible or not.